school acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to their elders past, present, and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen up to what's coming next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our very last online assembly for Term 3. My first message this week is you may not be aware, or you may be aware, that we're in the midst of what we call plover season and magpie season. And that is when the plovers and the magpies, the birds, are nesting, they're laying their eggs, and they can become very, very aggressive, very territorial. And you will know if these birds are aggressive and angry because you will hear them. They will make a lot of noise and they may even swoop towards you. So please be aware of when you're walking around near the trees and bushes of the plovers and magpies. And you may like to talk to someone at home about keeping safe around those birds at this time. When I ride my bike, on my helmet, I actually put big cable ties, these big things that stick out, so that when the magpies fly towards my helmet, my bike, the pointy things, the cable ties, are enough to scare them away. Well, my next message for our assembly is, as you know, we've had Camp A and Camp B, Year 3 students attend the Briars Camp. I know they've had lots and lots of fun. I've been down there for a visit, and I must say it was so exciting to see all the children having such a fantastic time. And a really big thank you to teachers for all the work you put in, not only planning, but the time that you've given up to support our students at camp. Divisional athletics, we had 14 children progress through to the Div athletics competition during the week. That was on Wednesday. Big thank you to Mrs. Ellis for organising that activity. And we've had two students, Tayesh, who came second in the 1500 metres, and Aman, who came second in the triple jump. So congratulations to our students, and they will now go on to the next level of competition. I can't wait to hear how they go. Sleepover, we had sleepover last night and the night before. I actually slept over at school. It was a lot of fun. And once again, a big thank you to our teachers for the planning, the preparation, the time you gave up to be with our children at school here so they can experience, well, extra fun things we don't normally get to do. My last point is, as you know, we're about to head off into the school holidays, 2 weeks of, well, not coming to school. Just a reminder, stay safe, please, in whatever you do, especially if you are riding a bike around, crossing roads. If you're near water, please stay safe. And remember, as I always say, read every single day or night. Find something that you really like reading. You may like to find somewhere quiet and comfortable, enjoy a book, or even read to somebody at home. All right, thanks everybody. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye now.
Coffee, definitely coffee, and it has to be a proper coffee. It has to be a soy milk cappuccino, no sugar, and probably, I reckon, maybe two to three a day.
Pepsi or cola?
Cola, Coke for sure, yeah.
What is your favourite book?
My favourite book would have to be The Notebook, and I love the movie as well.
Do you have any kids, and if so, how old are they?
Yep, I have 4 kids. I've got Cooper, who's 18, Mackenzie, who's 16, Matilda, who's 13, and Harper, who's 10. Yep, so it's busy at my house.
Thank you, Mrs. Jamis.
This week we would like to acknowledge 2 students who have gone out of their way to demonstrate our school value of respect. They did this by calling out an unsafe behaviour that they had seen in the yard outside. So congratulations to Emily and to Megan. Well done, girls, we're very proud of you.